Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to see another example based on probability distribution, that is probability mass function or distribution function. Okay. Question number 2. If x is random variable with following probability function, आता हे probability function एक दिलेला आहे with values of random variable 0, 1, 2 with their respective probabilities a, 2a and a respectively. Then find a first a b probability of x is equal to 1, c probability of x greater than 1, and d last term probability of x greater than or equal to 1. Okay, we already know that sum of all the probabilities in given distribution is always equals to 1. म्हणजे काय बघा, probability sum किती असते ती 1 असतेच. Okay, therefore we can write a plus 2a plus a is equals to a sorry 1. यांची सम काय झाली बघा, a plus 2a plus a is equals to 4a is equal to 1. Therefore we can find the value of a is equals to 1 over 4, that is 1 divided by 4. म्हणजे हा तुमचा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन असेल. a ची व्हॅल्यू 1/4 आलेली आहे. त्यावरून बघा b is equal to probability of x is equal to 1 ची probability फाइंड करायची आहे. आता probability of x is equal to 1 ची probability काय आहे की 2a आहे. मग a ची व्हॅल्यू याच्यामध्ये पुट करा, 2 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 1/4 ही तुमची फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मध्ये आलेली व्हॅल्यू आहे. दॅट इज 2/4 इज इक्वल टू 0.5. ओके, हे तुमचं सेकंड एक्झाम्पल असेल. ओके, आता सी क्वेश्चन बघा, प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ एक्स इक्वल एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन 1. एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन 1 याचा अर्थ काय बघा, you have to take the values of x which is greater than 1. मग आता एक ग्रेटर दॅन 1 च्या व्हॅल्यू कोणकोणत्या असणार आहेत या प्रोबॅबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्युशन मध्ये, तर प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ x इक्वल टू काय असणार आहे, 2 असणार आहे. ओके, मग आता प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ x इक्वल टू 2 काय आहे बघा, तर x इक्वल टू 2 नथिंग बट द प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ a. द प्रोबॅबिलिटी आता a ची व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, तर 1/4 विच इज ऑलरेडी फाइंड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ओके, द लास्ट डी बघा, प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ x ग्रेटर दॅन और इक्वल टू 0. याचा अर्थ काय बघा, x ची व्हॅल्यू कशी घ्यायची आहे, विच इज ग्रेटर दॅन और इक्वल टू 0. म्हणजे 0 तर घ्यायचीच आहे, 0 पेक्षा ग्रेटर घ्यायचे आहे, म्हणजे 1 आणि 2 सुद्धा घ्यायचे. म्हणजे काय लिहिले बघा, प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ x ग्रेटर दॅन 0 greater than or equal to 0 is equals to probability of x is equal to 0 plus x is equal to 1 plus x is equal to 2 is equals to probability of x is equal to 0 nothing but a plus probability of x is equal to 1, that is 2a, plus probability of x is equal to 2 plus a. Okay, a plus 2a plus a is equals to 4a. Put the value of a, that is the 1 divided by 4, that is 4 multiply by 1/4 is equals to 1. Okay, that's all our answers of question number 1 to 4. This is another example based on probability function. If x is equal to x is random variable with probability function, these are values of x 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 with their respective probabilities. With their respective probabilities, then you have to find first C. Second one is probability of x is equal to 7. 3 probability of x greater than 10. 4 probability of x greater than or equal to 10. and last probability of x less than 10. ओके, या व्हॅल्यूंचा तुम्हाला अभ्यास करता येईल. सी ची व्हॅल्यू पहिल्यांदा फाइंड करून घ्या. then you can find the value of probability of x is equal to 7. That is probability of x is equal to 7 is equals to 6c. Put the value of whatever the value of c in this equation, that is 6 multiply by and something, you can get the value of probability of x is equal to 7. Okay. Second one, third one, probability of x greater than 10. Then you have to take the random variables value which are greater than 10. Then what are the values which are greater than 10 in this distribution function? That is probability of x greater than 10 is equals to probability of x is equal to 11 plus probability of x is equal to 12. Okay, is equals to काय येणार बघा, x is equals to 11 ची व्हॅल्यू 2c plus 12 ची व्हॅल्यू c is equals to 3c. फक्त जी c ची व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मध्ये फाइंड केली ती पुट करा. ओके, probability of x greater than or equal to 10. There is difference between probability of x greater than 10 and probability of x greater than or equal to 10. याच्यामध्ये फक्त काय सांगितलं की x ची व्हॅल्यू 10 ग्रेटर घ्या म्हणून सांगितलेलं आहे. म्हणजे काय आली 11 and 12. ओके, आता थर्ड क्वेश्चन फोर्थ क्वेश्चन मध्ये काय सांगितलंय, probability of x which is greater than or equal to 10. Nothing but you have to take the value of 10 first and whatever the value of greater than 10, that is 11 and 12. Okay, then you have to sum the probabilities which is equals to probability of x is equal to 10, probability of x is equal to 11, probability of x is equal to 12. Okay, then you can get the answer of probability of x which is greater than or equal to x. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये काय येणार बघा, greater than or equal to x, probability of x greater than or equal to 10, nothing but you have to take the probabilities of probability of x is equal to 10 plus 11 and plus 12. Probability of respective probabilities. So 10 plus probability of x is equal to 11 plus probability of x is equal to 12. मग काय काय व्हॅल्यू येणार बघा, 3c plus 2c plus c is equals to 6c. Put the value, whatever value of c which is already find in question number 1, and you will get the probability of x greater than or equal to 10. Okay, and last one, probability of x less than 10. Less than 10, nothing but you have to sum all the probabilities. That is, what are the values are less than 10 in the distribution function? That is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 are the values which are less than 10. Therefore you have to take you have to sum or addition of these probabilities, we will get the probability which is x less than 10. Okay, हे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व होते का बघा, नाहीतर तुम्हाला सॉल्व होईल. ओके.